Hello students, we will go with some more problems in Laplace transform, that is the basic problems. The first problem is find the Laplace transform of sin phi t into cos 2t. Here we have to find the Laplace transform of a function, that is the trigonometric functions, and the sign between them is into. So you should not separately take the Laplace transform of sin phi t and Laplace transform of cos 2t. Whenever you are having into sign, you cannot separately take the Laplace transform. If it is plus sign or minus, you can take separately the Laplace transform. But when it is into and division, you cannot solve it separately. In such case, since it is a product of two trigonometric function, we are going to use the formulae, that is the transformation formulae here. This is sin phi t into cos 2t. So I am going to consider sin A into cos B formula. So sin A into cos B formula is given by 1 by 2 sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. In place of A substitute phi t and in place of B substitute 2t. Simplify it, you will get 1 by 2 sin 7t plus sin 3t. Once you simplify, now here plus sign has come, so now you can take the Laplace operator on both sides. So I will take Laplace on both sides. So this becomes Laplace transform of phi t, sin phi t into cos 2t is equals to 1 by 2 as it is. Since plus sign is there, you are going to take Laplace transform of sin 7t separately and Laplace transform of sin 3t separately. As per the standard result, we know that Laplace transform of sin at is a upon s square plus a square. Now what is your a here? A is 7. So this becomes 7 upon s square plus 7 square. Plus here a is 3, so it will become 3 divided by s square plus 3 square. 7 square is 49, 3 square is 9. So this is the Laplace transform of sin phi t into cos 2t. Similarly, some more problems with trigonometric functions. Here you have to take the Laplace transform of cos 6t into sin 3t. Again, the sign between these two trigonometric function is into, so we cannot take it separately. I will be applying for transformation formula here. So cos A into sin B. Why did I consider cos A into sin B? Because I have to find the Laplace transform of cos of some function variable and sin of some variable. So here I am considering cos A into sin B. So cos A into sin B formula is 1 by 2 sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. In place of A you take 60 and in place of B it is 3t. So when we substitute and simplify, I am getting 1 by 2 sin of 9t minus sin 3t. Once we have simplified into two functions, we are going to take Laplace on both sides. So when we take Laplace on both sides, 1 by 2 I will keep it aside and take Laplace on sin 9t and Laplace of sin 3t. Again we know that Laplace transform of sin at is a upon s square plus a square. In place of a it is 9. Here in place of a it is 3. So when we simplify, we get the Laplace transform of cos 6t into sin 3t. Okay. Next, Laplace transform of cos 3t into cos 2t. It is a product of two cos functions. So again I am going to use the transformation formulae, that is cos A into cos B. It is given by 1 by 2 cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. In place of A substitute 3t, in place of B substitute 2t. When I substitute here and simplify, I will get 1 by 2 cos of phi t plus cos t. I have separated the two functions, so we are going to take L on both sides. When we take L on both sides, we will get here 1 by 2 Laplace transform of cos phi t plus Laplace transform of cos t. This 1 by 2 is for both the functions. Hence, Laplace transform of cos, we know that Laplace transform of cos AT is s upon s square plus a square. Now what is your a here? A is 5. So this becomes s upon s square plus 5 square. Here a is 1, so it is s upon s square plus 1 square. Hence 1 by 2 s upon s square plus 25 plus s upon s square plus 1 is the Laplace transform of the given function. The next problem is we have to find the Laplace transform of sine 60 into sine 80. It is a product of two trigonometric functions in which we are having both the functions in terms of sine. So consider a transformation formulae given by sine A into sine B is equals to minus 1 by 2 cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. In place of A it is 60, in place of B it is 80. When we substitute over here, I'll get cos of 60 minus 80 as minus 2t. We know that cos of minus theta is always equals to cos theta. So cos of minus 2t will be cos 2t, and this negative sign will remain as it is. Once we simplify this, since we have separated the two terms, take L operator on both sides. So Laplace transform of cos 14t will become s upon s square plus 14 square minus Laplace transform of cos 2t is s upon s square plus 2 square. The simplified form is s upon s square plus 196 minus s upon s square plus 4, and this minus 1 by 2 is outside. This is about when it is a product of two trigonometric functions. Okay, we have to apply for transformation formula and evaluate. Thank you.